just cleansed, toned, moisturised my skin, so that's all done. That's woken me up a bit. And I'm just going to get changed, do my hair, put a bit of makeup on. I'm just going to film what I'm doing today. We've got a couple of little bits and bobs I need to do. I need to go get a couple of things for Ella. So I'll film throughout the day. I'm doing someone's hair as well, so we'll see how that goes. I'll see if I can insert a clip later on. But I will speak to you a little bit later on, and I'll carry on filming so you can get today's vlog. Just finished feeding Ella. She's been a bit of a pain. She actually took 3 ounces, which isn't like her. She usually has about 6 because she's greedy, so I'm not quite sure. She only wanted that. I think she's going to start crying in a minute. So while she's sort of settled, I'm just going to quickly put some makeup on. I'll try and show you what I'm using just as I go along, but I will be fast forwarding this video, so we'll see how much makeup I can do before she starts screaming again. doing my hair, but to be fair, I might just leave it like this, like, I'm totally rocking this. It's just it's a mum bun, you know. But I need to go get Ella a outfit to put on. I would show you, but she's currently naked on the floor. She just loves being naked. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get her a new outfit. I'm gonna go put that on it, and then I'm going to take her around to my mum's so I can do some hairdressing. And then we've got just such a hectic day of getting stuff from the shops and just getting things packed as well, ready for tomorrow, which I'll explain in a bit. It was £4 and it's from the Nutmeg range, which is what you find in Morrison's, but £4 for a little dress for her. It's got this really nice lace detailing here, which makes it really, really pretty girly dress for her. Hey Mum, I'm just chilling. I'm just stretching those legs. Ooh, stretch. I'm working on some dance moves. Ooh. What do you think? What do you think of my dress? Bit of a disaster. I have lost my keys and I'm locked into the house. I have no idea where they are. Oh dear. Found them. They were in Ella's cart for some reason. I don't know why they were in there, but they were there and I've got them and I can leave the house and I can open the door because it is absolutely roasting. Apparently it says that the next week or so is going to be like a heat wave, which I'm sort of dreading with Ella at night because she does not sleep well when it's really hot. I mean, I don't think any baby does, but she is up all night. So I'm sort of dreading that a little bit, but I'm going to leave you now because it's the perfect day to hang washing out on the line. That sounds so mumsy. You can tell I'm a house owner. I'm going to hang out some washing on the line and I'm going to go do some jobs. I've brought the washing in. I've put a brand new load of baby bibs and muslin cloths and a load of clothes. Tip for somebody who is pregnant or, you know, wants a baby, make sure you get plenty and plenty of bibs. I cannot even tell you how many times I have to wash them. Every day I've got the washing machine on and it has got bibs in, for sure, literally. I think I have about, when I first was buying stuff, I only got like 5 or 6 in, and someone told me I should get like 20, and I was just like, nah, you don't need that many. Oh, you do. You need about 20. Guys, look how much washing I've got to take upstairs and fold and put all away, hang it all up. So basically I'm trying to get a load of stuff done and ready. I've got my friend coming round in a few hours time. She's going to help me by looking after Ella so I can clean the house a bit. So basically what's happening is me and Jordan are going on a spa day tomorrow, and my mum is looking after Ella all day and all night, so we can literally have all day at the spa. We're then going to go out for a nice meal, and then we're just going to come home and have a bottle of wine and just have a baby-free night, which is nice because we are celebrating our 4-year anniversary. So it's going to be nice. It's going to be weird because I'm going to miss her like crazy, but it's going to be really, really nice. Just to completely relax, have a drink, and just have a full night's sleep. Just finished doing hair. I've got my friend coming over in a moment. I didn't get a chance to video doing my friend's hair because we were just too busy talking, to be honest. But I am back at home now, waiting for my friend. I'm going to go up to the high street to get a couple of bits and bobs, and then I will be back. I will probably film a little bit while my friend's here. Maybe not, see how we go. I've got a ton of jobs to do. Ready for tomorrow, so I'll speak to you in a little bit. Are we on camera? Yeah. Smile. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you want to touch the camera? You're a natural. Yeah. Are you on a play date? Are you on a play date? Are you on a play date? I am 100% coming down with a cold. I just feel really sniffly and got a sore throat, so I'm feeling pretty sorry for myself. On the plus side though, I'm going to a spa tomorrow, so hopefully that will make me feel a lot better. I'm just going to go for a bath now. I'm going to try and steam my face and get rid of this cold, and try and get an early night. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will link all the products that I used on my skincare and my makeup down below in the description box. Good night.